And here's giving you some more perspective on the election scenario. The agenda for 2014 has already been set and the arena is only growing bigger. Can the BJP and the Congress still afford to look away and deny the influence of regional satraps? With the dramatic debut of the Aam Aadmi Party, speculations are rife once again about the possibility of a third front.
कि कांग्रेस के खिलाफ माहौल है तो इसको हम हासिल कर लें इस अवसर को, जो कि उन्हें नहीं करना चाहिए था, ऐसा उन्होंने किया.
BJP's former ally dismissing the party's victory in the recent state polls. Nitish Kumar giving an indication that the national mood is also against the Congress.
कांग्रेस के खिलाफ माहौल है तो इसको हम हासिल कर लें इस अवसर को, जो कि उन्हें नहीं करना चाहिए था, ऐसा उन्होंने किया. तो एक तरह से इसको खंडित किया और जनता ने ये बतला दिया कि जहां कोई तीसरा विकल्प मिलेगा वो उसको ज्यादा पसंद है.
And he is not the only one. Even Congress ally, the NCP chief, in his blog criticized the Congress leadership for the party's defeat.
You also, in your blog, you said, is this a mandate against Rahul Gandhi, sir?
I said I have no time.
You don't want to comment on your blog at all? So you also commented on Aam Aadmi Party? Is this a mandate against Rahul?
And while Sharad Pawar evaded questions over his discontent, he was extended an invitation to join a third front.
तीसरे मोर्चे को सफल बनाई को देश इस समय कांग्रेस से भी परेशान है, भाजपा से भी परेशान. देश को एक तीसरे विकल्प की जरूरत है और तीसरे मोर्चे के रूप में जो विकल्प राज्यों में जिस तरह तेजी से डेवलप कर रहे हैं, शरद जी को चाहिए कि हम लोग का साथ दें और हम सब मिलकर देश को एक नया विकल्प.
But the big question remains if this third front could be a reality in the upcoming elections.
Sharad Pawar's writing about the senior leadership of the Congress being responsible for this particular loss could also be seen in this context as an attempt to distance from the party's leadership, keeping the door open for the formation of a third front.
For now, both the Congress and the BJP remain dismissive of an alternative option in the upcoming elections.
You've had at least on 2 to 3 occasions this so-called third front experiment which has been tried for a governance at the central government, and it failed miserably. And I only hope such an idea is never considered again.
Third front is such an amorphous thing, because nobody knows who all constitute the third front. And third front is an idea where people who are not in both sides, this is a fancy idea.
But the regional satraps like Jagan Reddy are already trying to stitch an alliance. But the question remains if the third front will be able to woo the voters. Bureau Report, Times Now.